not coming down. It felt like the birds in sweet harmony, like I'd never heard before. All around me when I found you.
Ate Lucy is not only my cousin, but isa rin siyang friend and a sister to me. So even though kasi malayo talaga kami growing up, but pag magkasama kami, siya yung laging nandyan for me. And kahit magkalayo kami, I always admire her and big part siya ng life ko.
It felt like a breeze that came dancing through. It swept me to places that I never knew. It felt like a river, wild and free, flowing forever, endlessly.
So, si Ate Lucy, alam niyo naman, most of you, I'm sure. Yung isa siya dun sa mga tao na kapag nakilala mo siya, na-meet mo siya for the first time, sobrang gaan niyang kasama. Kasi pag nakilala mo siya, siya yung tao na hindi mo masasabihan ng masamang bagay. Kasi thankful ako kay Ate Lucy kasi nga parang big sister siya. Parang walang masasabing masamang buto sa katawan niya. Sa sobrang bait niya, sobrang galang niya sa pamilya. Sobrang maalaga siya. Hindi lang sa magulang niya, sa mga kapatid niya. Like lahat ng hanapin mong mabuting characteristics, parang nasa kanya na. Ate Lucy, super appreciated ko lahat ng time na yun. Isa ka sa role model ko sa buhay na marami ako natutunan ng life lessons. And Kuya Ron naman, you're very lucky to have someone like Ate Lucy.
I can see it all, the color of the morning when summer turns to fall. Gone from what it was, quietly unfolding right in front of us. Words and tales from storybooks can't compare, they're not as good. Looking at you now.
Well, we used to call him way back when we were in Yokogawa, is the definition of what a gentleman. He's a win for a lot of us and a role model for his family and a lot of people in our company and also for me as well.
When stars align, perfect harmony. Turns out it's better than make-believe, but I don't need to write it. I knew you were right for me.
I'm happy for the both of you and Lucy, happy ako na kita mo na yung makakasama mo panghabang buhay. Yak na po. So yun, I wish you all both all the happiness and contentment in this world. Yun lang. Oh.
It's obvious, it's meant to be. Don't have to try, it comes naturally. There's just no denying when stars align, perfect harmony. Turns out it's better than make-believe, but I don't need to write it. I knew you were right for me.
biyayang pagliligtas ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo, ang pag-ibig ng ating Panginoong Diyos, ang pakikilakip ng Espiritu Santo, sumainyong mag-asawa at sa lahat, ngayon at magpakailanman.
Lucci, you've hit the jackpot, and I could also say the same for you, Pop. So congratulations to the both of you. And with this, I'd like everyone to raise their glass, and let's give a toast to our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Paulino.
You are my home away from home. Home away from home. Home away from home. Home away from home. Some days I wonder if the sun will shine. Some days I pray for just a ray of light. Come take my hand and tell me you'll stay by my side. Some days I feel like I'm against the wall. Some days I feel I'm barely holding on. All will be
Ako si Ronelio Paulino
Ay kinukuha kita
ay kinukuha kita, Lucci Hyacinth Ramos,
na maging aking tunay na asawa,
na maging aking tunay na asawa
at ako ay nangangako
at ako ay nangangako
at nakikipagtipan sa iyo
at nakikipagtipan sa iyo
sa harapan ng Panginoong Diyos at ng ating mga saksi,
sa harapan ng Panginoong Diyos at ng ating mga saksi,
na sa iyo ako'y magiging mapagmahal
na sa iyo ako'y magiging mapagmahal
at matapat na asawa.
at matapat na asawa.
You help me take this weight off my shoulders. Always run my way when I call you. You're the anchor I'm holding tight onto. You are my home away from home. Home away from home. Home away from home. Home away from home.
Ako si Lucci Hyacinth Ramos.
Ay tinatanggap kita
Ay tinatanggap kita, Ronelio Paulino,
na maging aking tunay na asawa,
na maging aking tunay na asawa.
at ako ay nangangako
At ako ay nangangako
at nakikipagtipan sa iyo
at nakikipagtiban sa iyo
sa harapan ng Panginoong Diyos at ng ating mga saksi,
sa harap ng Panginoon Diyos at ng ating mga saksi.
na sa iyo ako'y magiging mapagmahal
Na sa iyo ako'y magiging
at matapat na asawa
at matapat na asawa.
sa kasaganaan at sa kahirapan,
Sa kasaganan kaya
sa katuwaan at kalungkutan,
sa katuwan at kalungkutan,
at sa kalusugan at sa karamdaman,
sa kalusugan at sa karamdaman,
hanggang sa papaghiwalayin tayo ng kamatayan.
hanggang sa pag-iwanay tayo ng kamatayan.
Don't ever go. I didn't know I was lost till I found you. Baby, I searched so long. Now that you're here, I already know you. You were here all along.
Ang singsing na ito
Ay ibinibigay ko sa iyo
ay ibinibigay ko sa iyo
bilang sagisag at pangako
bilang sagisag at
ng ating patuloy at nananatiling pag-ibig. Bilang sagisag at pangako ng ating patuloy at nananatiling pag-ibig.
at nananatiling pag-ibig.
Can't sing, there's no song without you.
Ang singsing na ito
Ay ibinibigay ko rin sa iyo
ay ibinibigay ko sa iyo
bilang sagisag
bilang sagisag
pangako
at pangako
ng ating patuloy at nananatiling pag-ibig.
ng ating tunay at nananatiling pag-ibig.
You are my one and only. I never wanna lose. Just know if you ever need me, there's nothing I won't do.
habang tinupad na ninyo ang matapat na pagkakasundo. Ako sa pamamagitan ng aking karapatan bilang ministro ng Ebanghelyo ay ipinahahayag ko na kayo ay tunay ng mag-asawa ayon sa mga utos ng Panginoong Diyos at ng mga batas ng ating bansa. Ang pinapagsama nga ng Panginoong Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao.
Can't live, can't breathe, can't sing without you. Can't swim, I see, can't sail without you. Can't live if you leave me here without you. Can't breathe, you're my oxygen. Can't sing, there's no song without you. Without you.